Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bot in Character AI. First, navigate to the Create a Character section on the platform. You'll need to give your bot a unique name and a short, compelling description that captures its essence. Next, decide if your bot will be accessible to everyone or if you prefer to keep it private for your own interactions. This initial setup is crucial for defining your bot's basic identity and reach. Now, let's dive into personality. The long description field is where you truly bring your bot to life. Use this space to outline its background, motivations, and how it should interact. Providing example dialogue is incredibly effective. It shows the AI exactly how you want your bot to speak. Remember to clearly define its core traits, ensuring it consistently acts as you intend, whether that's being witty or deeply empathetic. Training is an ongoing process that refines your bot's behavior. Simply chat with your bot as you normally would and pay close attention to its responses. If a response is particularly good or bad, use the rating system to provide feedback. For specific corrections, you can even edit your bot's messages directly. This hands-on approach helps the AI learn and adapt, making your bot more aligned with your vision over time. To truly master your bot, explore the advanced settings. These options offer granular control over its behavior and can significantly enhance its capabilities. You might also consider creating a specific persona for your bot to interact with, which can lead to richer and more dynamic conversations. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keep experimenting and have fun creating unique and engaging AI characters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.